If you're an introvert trying to grow a successful online business, chances are you're following the wrong business model. You've probably been told to post more on social platforms, show up more, be more visible. And let's be honest, if you're doing that regularly and consistently, it becomes exhausting. The problem isn't your discipline, it's the business model that you're trying to follow. If you're an introvert, constant posting on social platforms, feeling the pressure to be on all the time, and having sales calls that you dread, I know I do, and they just drain your energy. This all results in an inconsistent income, which is tied to your visibility. The net outcome of all that is you usually become exhausted trying to build a business using a model that's working against your natural tendencies or your natural personality. That's why you should be adopting an email first business approach. Is what I do in my business, and it just suits my personality so well. What is an email first approach to business? Well, it's when all the things you hate doing or are done automatically, essentially, by what you create in your email first system. So here's how it works. You share content across your social platform or platforms. Those are the ones where your potential customers hang out. That content then gets noticed by those people. They engage because you've offered them something. They engage in your business by subscribing to your email list because you've offered them something. It could be a free book, a course, a webinar, could literally be anything. Essentially, they join your list, and from that point onwards, you're building a trust relationship with those subscribers. You're showing up for them. You continue to add value for them in their business or their life, whatever you're helping with. And then you continue to repeat that process for as long as you remain on your list. When people are on your list, you need to figure out what it is they want or need, and then present that to them. Now, it doesn't need to be all salesy. In fact, it's not salesy. You do it softly through email content. You send that out. That email content you're sending out is on a one-to-one relationship, so you're talking to one person. It's not like in social platforms where you're talking to hundreds of thousands or millions of people, and you can't be personal. Inside email, that totally flips. You can be, you can collect data from your subscribers, what's often referred to as zero-party data. So you can collect data from them about their personal preferences, and based on that information you're collecting over a period of time, you slowly collect that. You can then start to build that into the content you share with them. So if you know someone doesn't like watching videos, then you always send them written content, or vice versa. So these things are all, they've been proven to work successfully for millions and millions of people. And the best thing of all is it can all be done on autopilot. You don't need any cringy networking events. You don't need any awkward sales calls, trying to convince people to buy something they either can't afford or they don't need. And in fact, by the time you actually speak to someone, whether it's a discovery call or whatever, by the time that happens, they've already decided they want to work with you because they've come to know, like, and trust you. For too many years, I attended, networking sessions that I hated. I attended sales calls with people who I tried to convince that it was the right thing for them to do. And it just doesn't sit well with me. I just don't like all that stuff. I like for people to have opportunities put in front of them for things that I know they will benefit from, but it's entirely up to them whether they want to buy it or not. That's the way I operate when I'm, as a customer, that's the way I like to operate. So as a business owner, that's the way I like to operate for my audience and my customers. If you want to get started with an email first business, I've actually put together a free course. It's called Kit Jumpstart. Kit is one of the email marketing platforms that are available out there. It's the one that I use in my business, and it's one that I recommend for most service-based solopreneurs just like you. If you want to get access to that course, well, it's free. Click the link below in the description, and within a few minutes you'll have full access to that Kit Jumpstart course. So hopefully this resonates with you, being an introvert. It shows you a more appealing way to run as a profitable business. It shows you a way in which you can avoid all the things you don't like doing, and it allows you to double down on the things you are good at and the things you do enjoy, so that running a business becomes an enjoyable endeavour rather than an onerous task every day. Thanks for watching this. My name is John. If you get any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll be sure to reply. Cheers.